2018 Prius Prime map light bulb replacements. I'm doing these ones right here. Probably the hardest bulbs in the interior to do. I like to open this sunglass holder and then get yourself a plastic pry bar like this, or like a butter knife or something. You could use a flathead, but you run the risk of, like, if you look right here, someone came in here before and was kind of dinging that up a little bit. What I try to do is go out from the sides, so I don't need to touch the inside of that gray area, and I'll just gently get this in between here, and then very patiently I'll just work my way around, kind of wiggling and pushing down, wiggling and pushing down. Patience is the trick in this one. And then once you get your fingers underneath here, if you could just kind of wiggle it and work this thing off. This thing's on super tight. I was kind of surprised for a Toyota. They're usually not this tight. Just kind of work your way down with it, and then you're going to lift it up and over because it has this clear centerpiece in the middle that you got to clear. And we'll go ahead and remove this, set it to the side. And then I'm replacing it because it has these LED bulbs. They keep flickering. They had a kind of like low quality LED bulb in here, so they're putting the stock bulb back in. So yours might be just a regular bulb like this right here. It's like a 194, I believe. I'll put links in the description for these bulbs, and you'll put this in. I recommend doing both at the same time. That way, you know, you don't do all this work and then a week later your other one burns out. But that's the stock bulb right there. Now, if you can get really good LED lights that are super bright, I'll link in the description. I have like a promo code for a company called AUXITO. They have like the best LED headlights. Whatever brand this was, they were just flickering nonstop and it was really annoying. Alright, so put this in here. You got my other one in. Of course, try it before you put everything back together. And then, alright, now let's go ahead and reassemble it. We're going to slide this back over carefully. Alright. Just kind of make sure all these little clips line up and everything goes together. Then you're just going to kind of gently, patiently kind of try to push all this in so it'll clip together. Hopefully it'll go together fine. Alright. Try it out again. And alright guys, there you go. Check the links for in the description. Thanks for watching.
Guys, I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good. Your style is no match for mine.